Ever seen a dog that looks like it walks straight out of an ancient Chinese palace? That's the Chow Chow. Part fluffy lion, part grumpy old man. With their massive mane and serious expression, they look more like royal guardians than family pets. But don't let the fluff fool you. Chow Chows are known for being independent and aloof. They don't beg for attention. They don't try to please everyone. In fact, they're often called the cats of the dog world. But when it comes to protecting their family, this calm lion turns into a serious guard dog. Cute? Yes. But also proud, stubborn, and full of attitude.